Okay, so how to translate this word problem into a mathematical expression or equation? So we have 5 times a number decreased by 2 is 4. Okay, so 5 times a number represent a variable x that is decreased by 2 equals to 4. Okay, so now to find the value of x, we will transpose first the negative 2 to the right. Okay, just bring down 5x, also 4. Then this negative 2 will become now positive 2. Okay, so next, write again 5x, then add 4 plus 2, that is 6. Okay, so next, to find the value of x, we will just divide the coefficient 5 by itself. Also divide it by 5 at the right. Then 5 divided by 5, that is 1. So it is also as similar as x. X uh, is understood that there is a coefficient of 1. So x is equals to 6 over 5. Okay, so that's it.